Hi, my name's Gemma. I'm reviewing the Bosch logixx 7 condensing tumble dryer for AO electricals. So as you can see, obviously it's got a nice big drum on it, and once you switch it on you get a light inside. So just a couple of bits to demo. Lots of different options, all fairly self-explanatory. If we put it on standard one, you can just hear how noisy it is. Not too bad, I don't think, fairly average for a tumble dryer. Switch it off and keep it quieter. So you've got a couple of lint screens in there. This one, and then there's a second one inside, so you have to empty both to keep it working. And up at the top here is where all your water condenses, so that has to be emptied after every cycle as well. But